So, you're thinking about investing with Nutmeg, huh? Good choice. But before you dive in headfirst, let's talk about the nitty-gritty. What exactly are you investing in? I mean, it's your hard-earned cash we're talking about, right? So, let's peel back the layers and see where your money is actually going. Now, Nutmeg positions itself as a robo-advisor. Fancy term, right? Essentially, it's an automated platform that builds and manages investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Sounds great in theory, but what does that actually mean for your money? Let's break it down. The core of Nutmeg's investment universe is something called exchange-traded funds, or ETFs for short. Think of ETFs as baskets filled with a bunch of different investments. They could contain stocks, bonds, or even a mix of both. The beauty of ETFs is that they offer diversification. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket, so to speak. But here's the thing, not all ETFs are created equal. Nutmeg selects ETFs based on a number of factors, including cost, performance, and alignment with their investment strategy. This is where things can get a bit complex. They offer different types of portfolios, like ISA, pension, and general investment account. Each of these has its own risk profile and, consequently, invests in different types of ETFs. For instance, a low-risk portfolio might be heavily invested in government bonds, which are generally considered safer but offer lower returns. On the other hand, a high-risk portfolio might have a larger allocation to equities, like stocks, which can be more volatile but also offer the potential for higher returns. It's crucial to understand that while Nutmeg handles the portfolio management, you still bear the investment risk. Market fluctuations can impact the value of your investments, and past performance is not indicative of future results. It's a classic high-risk, high-reward scenario. Now, let's talk about transparency. Nutmeg provides you with regular updates on your portfolio performance. You can see exactly what ETFs you're invested in, their weightings, and how they're performing. This is crucial for making informed decisions about your investments. But let's not forget about fees. Nutmeg charges a management fee, which is deducted from your investment returns. It's essential to factor this into your overall investment performance. So, to sum it up, Nutmeg primarily invests in ETFs. The specific ETFs in your portfolio will depend on your chosen investment type and risk profile. While it offers a convenient way to invest, it's important to understand the underlying investments and associated risks. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't get caught up in short-term fluctuations. Stay focused on your financial goals and rebalance your portfolio when necessary. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.